If Iran actually attacked a US aircraft carrier, what would happen next? This is a hypothetical scenario, not a prediction, but understanding it explains why such an attack has never happened. A US aircraft carrier does not sail alone. It is surrounded by destroyers, cruisers, submarines, aircraft, and satellites, all operating as a single defensive system. If an attack were attempted, it would likely be detected long before a missile reached its target. Multiple layers of defense would engage simultaneously: interceptors, electronic warfare, countermeasures, and if an attack succeeded, the response would be immediate and overwhelming. Launch sites would be identified, command structures would be targeted, and the conflict would escalate beyond any single region. Global shipping lanes would be affected, energy markets would react instantly, allies would be drawn in. This is why aircraft carriers are not just powerful, they are stabilizing forces. Their true strength lies not in war, but in preventing it.